Hello and good morning. Happy Sunday to you. I'm doing a little garden vlog. It's a beautiful breezy Sunday morning in Southern California. Hope you're all having a glorious Sunday. Thank you for tuning in. I brought Teddy out here in a little pen. I've never done that before, but that way he can be out here with me while I start cleaning the heck up out of my garden. So I have this is the side of my house coming from my backyard. I have like a little cool area back there where I planted some blackberry vines that are not doing very well. I'm going to trim stuff back in there, but it's a fun little hideaway for the kids that's been there forever. This is like a trumpet vine that I have had to cut back was taken over, but I have to trim it back a little more so the rose that's trying to come through will do well this spring. And my adventure today, I'm going to work out here for maybe an hour. That's probably all I'll be able to do at first. Is I have like some river rock all along the side of my yard, my front yard. So this river rock is covered up by quite a bit of weeds and grass. My morning grapefruit juice. And I am going to get a lot of this dead grass out. And then another project for a different day is to get some of these ivy out of there and to thin out all the wild grass growing in between my wonderful plants that come back every year. All kinds of, there's lavender in there and these cute little type of daisy plant. And I forget what this is. And I have two asparagus plants, no, not asparagus, artichoke plants growing. One here and one here that's doing very nice. And a pepper tree and a plumbago and just a lot of thinning out needs to be done. So that's the other part of my front yard, my poor redwoods that needed to be cut down because they were sick and dying, and I'm still heartbroken about that. I made a little roof for one of the stumps. I have like some water in there and some bird seed, and that's the front of the house, and there you have it. So I will come back another time when I've done a little more progress in this front yard. Thank you for tuning in.